Hi guys, this is Pranav Karat and welcome to another episode on Keep It Simple Silly. This video is about a classic scenario in sales. You know the when someone says, sell me this pen. Now it's a situation where many of us feel the pressure to come up with a complex strategy. But guess what? We are going to keep it simple. After all, that's what we do here. So if you find yourself in a conversation and someone throws that infamous line at you, sell me this pen. Let's not overcomplicate things with elaborate strategies. Just let them know about the price. It's as simple as that. Because when someone is asking you to sell them a pen, it already means they're interested. So go ahead and inquire about the price. This immediately engages them in the conversation. Now, for starters, don't just start listing the pen's features and benefits. Take a moment to understand why they need the pen. What are their wants and what are their pain points and how your pen can address it for them. Then go ahead and match this need. Present your pen as a solution. Explain how this pen can fulfill their requirements and make their life easy. Now the key here is to ask them a simple but a powerful question. Does this pen bring any value to what is that you're doing? This question immediately shifts the focus from selling to helping. Offer them a good deal, and now that they see the value in your pen, make them an irresistible offer. And there you have it, guys. Selling a pen doesn't need to be complicated. It's all about understanding your prospect's needs, matching those needs with your product, delivering value, and offering a great deal. Now, sell me this pen. Until next time, this is Pranav Karat signing.